so on, so on. So, and of course we got two different type of cuckoo clock. The mechanical one, which you need to wind it up every day or every week. So, and we got also the battery operator one for the people which don't want to wind it up every day or every week. We got the battery operator one. So, how to recognize it? Because the battery and the mechanism one look the same, right? So if you see on the wall two charged chains and two weights, and the weight is just made by plastic or wood, that means it's a battery operator one, because the weight and the chain is just only for decoration, they are useless. How to keep the clock working? You need to put 3 batteries inside, adjust to the right time, and that's it. And for the mechanical one, we got 4 different types of the mechanism. If you see on the wall 2 small weights, like this one here, that means it's a daily clock, so which you need to wind it up once a day. And if you see on the wall 2 big weights, like this one here, that means it's a weekly clock, which you need to wind it up once a week. If you see 3 weights, small one, that means the clock got something special. There's music and dancer on top. And the same also with 3 big weights, 1 week with music and dancer on top. So, and what kind of wood they use for the cuckoo clock? It's called bass or lindenwood. And why they use this type of wood? Because it's really soft and good to do the carving work with. And all the wood has to dry for minimum 4 years.
Cool.
Yes, that's why it's the cuckoo clock really expensive. And after 4 years, it's ready to be used, and they cut it into small pieces like this one here. Of course, it depends how big the cuckoo clock gonna be like. Put some metal stand on, spray paint it, and then cut the outline and the inline. So, and after that, they glue everything together and build a house like this one here. Put some decoration on it. So, and now you got the cuckoo house. And on the back side, you got space for the mechanism. So, and all our cuckoo clock is made in black forest until one part. So, the music box. The music box is also really high quality made. It's made in Swiss, so the Swiss made. Now, if I try to play the music, so you can hear it, but not really loud, right? So, now if I put it against a piece of wood,
Very melodious.
now you can hear it really loud. You know why? Because we are in Germany. No, joking, just only because of the wood vibrations. That's it. So, last things, and then you're free to go. The cuckoo sound. So on this time I need to disappoint you, there's no really cuckoo bird sitting inside. You don't need to give them water, you don't need to feed them, nothing. We got some couple of whistles, they look like this too here. And they sound like this. So, now if they put together, that's the famous cuckoo birds. So that means you don't need to give them water, you don't need to feed them, you will work without anything. So